2025 Tesla Cybertruck. IIHS updated moderate overlap front crash test results. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, recently conducted its rigorous updated moderate overlap front crash test on the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck, focusing on rear seat occupant protection, a key differentiator in modern evaluations. This test simulates a head-on collision between two vehicles traveling at 40 miles per hour, with 40% of the Cybertruck's front end overlapping a rigid barrier. It emphasizes forces on both front and rear dummies to assess overall survival space, injury risks, and restraint system effectiveness. Key results: overall rating good applicability. The good rating applies specifically to 2025 Cybertruck models built after April 2025. This follows structural updates to the front underbody, which improved energy absorption and occupant safety and offset frontal impacts. Structural integrity. The vehicle's exoskeleton and safety cage maintained excellent survival space. Post-crash photos show minimal intrusion into the occupant compartment, with the dashboard, steering wheel, and door frames largely intact. Driver protection. Low risk of head/neck injury. Moderate risk to the chest from belt forces. Airbags deployed effectively, keeping the dummy in a controlled position. Rear passenger protection. Critical focus of updated test: the rear dummy's head stayed a safe distance from the front seat back, indicating low risk of head/neck injury. Chest injury risk was moderate, but overall forces were within acceptable limits for a good score, better than many competitors like the Ford F-150 Lightning, which earned a poor in the same test due to higher rear seat chest compression. Other notes: while the moderate overlap test was a success, the Cybertruck scored poor on headlights, excessive glare, and has not yet been fully evaluated for IIHS top safety pick status, as additional tests, e.g., small overlap, side impact, are pending.
Charging is complete. The test will commence in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. The vehicle is underway.